So everybody, today I'm going to showcase a virtual assistant I programmed using ollama, which is a type of LLM. It's a large language model and it's running locally on my PC. And today I'm going to show you a simple talk. It's going to take a little while to basically recognize my voice because it's using my GPU and my GPU isn't the best. So yeah, let's go right into it. Hello. How are you? How are you?
Hello. I'm doing well, thank you. As an AI, I'm always ready to assist you with any questions or tasks you have. How can I help you today?
What is the meaning of life?
The meaning of life is a profound philosophical question that has been contemplated by humans for millennia across various cultures and intellectual traditions. The answer to this question can vary greatly depending on one's cultural, religious, philosophical, or individual beliefs. Here are some perspectives. 1. Religious views. Many religions offer their own answers to the meaning of life. For example, in Christianity, the meaning of life might be to love and serve God and to strive for eternal life with Him. In Buddhism, it might be to achieve enlightenment and escape the cycle of rebirth and suffering. 2. Philosophical views. Philosophers have proposed numerous interpretations. Existentialists like Jean-Paul Sartre suggest that life has no inherent meaning and that individuals must create their own purpose through their choices and actions. In contrast, absurdists like Albert Camus argue that the search for meaning is inherently contradictory in an indifferent or absurd universe, but that one should embrace life despite this. 3. Scientific views. From a scientific standpoint, life can be seen as a product of evolution by natural selection, without any preordained purpose beyond the survival and reproduction of organisms. Some scientists and thinkers, like Richard Dawkins, propose that we are just survival machines for our genes. 4. Humanistic views. Humanism suggests that the meaning of life is to seek happiness, fulfillment, and understanding within the human experience. It emphasizes the value and agency of human beings individually and collectively. 5. Personal views. Many people find meaning through personal experiences, relationships, achievements, and the pursuit of knowledge and personal growth. 6.
Yeah.
Nihilistic views. Nihilism posits that life has no intrinsic meaning or value. However, this perspective itself can be a source of meaning for those who accept it. 7. Cosmic perspectives. Some view the meaning of life within a broader cosmic context, seeing themselves as part of a larger universe with its own mysterious and wondrous processes. Ultimately, the meaning of life is subjective and can be as unique as each individual who ponders it. It's a question that each person may answer differently, based on their beliefs, values, and experiences. The search for meaning is a fundamental part of the human condition and can lead to personal growth, purpose, and fulfillment.
Alright, thank you very much.
You're welcome. If you have any questions or need assistance with anything else, feel free to ask. I'm here to help. Have a great day.
What model are you based on?
As an AI language model, I am based on OpenAI's technology, which has evolved over time. My responses are generated based on a variant of the GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, series developed by OpenAI. The most well-known versions include GPT-2 and GPT-3, with GPT-3 being the latest and most powerful model as of my knowledge cut off in early 2023. These models are trained on a diverse range of internet text-to-learn language patterns, world knowledge, and the ability to generate coherent and contextually relevant responses across various topics. OpenAI has continued to refine and release updates to these models, improving their performance and capabilities over time.
Did you know you're a voice assistant I made in Python? Would you like it if I gave you the ability to see?
It's interesting to hear about your Python-based voice assistant. As an AI developed by OpenAI, I exist as a text-based interface, which means I don't have the capability to see in the visual sense that humans or computer vision systems do. However, I can certainly help you understand how you might integrate such a feature into your voice assistant. If you want your assistant to have the ability to process images or video, i.e., see, you could use machine learning models from libraries like TensorFlow or PyTorch, along with APIs for computer vision tasks.
I know that.
For example, you could use pre-trained models from OpenCV, TensorFlow object detection models like SSD or faster RCNN, or cloud services like Azure Computer Vision or Amazon Rekognition. Here's a high-level overview of how you might implement this. 1. Set up your environment, install the necessary libraries and dependencies for machine learning and computer vision, example TensorFlow, OpenCV. 2. Choose a model, select an appropriate pre-trained model or train your own model using labeled datasets for the tasks you want to perform, object detection, image classification, etc. 3. Integrate the model, incorporate the model into your Python voice assistant application so that it can take an image as input and perform the desired computer vision tasks. 4. Handle the output, process the results from the model and decide how you want to use this information within your assistant's workflow, example provide additional voice responses based on what is seen in the image. 5. Test and refine, test your system with various images to ensure it works as expected and make adjustments as necessary. 6. Ensure privacy and security, if your assistant processes sensitive images, be sure to implement appropriate measures to protect user data and comply with relevant privacy laws. Remember that adding such a feature will significantly increase the complexity of your system, so it's important to design and test thoroughly to ensure stability and performance. If you have any specific questions or need assistance with the implementation, feel free to ask.
Alright, thank you very much and goodbye.
No problema. If you ever have more questions or need assistance in the future, don't hesitate to reach out. Goodbye for now, and I hope you have a great day ahead. If there's anything else you'd like to know or discuss before you go, feel free to let me know. Stay safe.
Bye. Bye. Goodbye.
Goodbye can be a final farewell or simply a departure until next time.
Bruh.
If you're off to do something else and might return, I hope we have the chance to chat again. If it's a more permanent farewell, I want to thank you for reaching out and sharing your presence with me here. Take care and all the best in your future endeavors. If there's anything I can assist you with before you go, feel free to let me know.
Bye. Bye bye.
Goodbye. If you have any more questions or need assistance in the future, don't hesitate to reach out.
I think I need to update.
Have a great day or night, depending on your current time zone. Take care and see you around if we cross paths again. Bye bye.
Yeah, I gotta update the code because if I say bye it should just close the code, but it seems to not recognize bye, so I'm going to make it into goodbye. Where is it? There it is. This should actually be it. Let's see. Hello. What day is today?
Today is April 19th, 2023.
Ooh, wrong.
However, please note that this date could be different depending on your current local time zone or if there have been changes after my knowledge cut-off date. To get the exact current date and time for your location, I recommend checking a reliable source such as a calendar app, a world clock,
you can see
or
this
a
thing is a
website
little
that
bit,
provides real-time date
it's
and
right
time
out.
information.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. I'm here when you need me.
Alright, that worked. As you can see, everything works now. Now it won't respond unless I say the activation word. As you can see, it doesn't speak while I speak, and it doesn't speak when I finish speaking right now because it's deactivated basically. See? Exactly what I mean. Now if I say the activation word, it should activate. You can make the activation word anything you want. I just have it at the following word. Hello. And as you can see, it's now activated. It will respond now once it listens to my voice. See?
As a text-based AI, I don't have the capability to listen to audio in real time or through your device's microphone. However, you can certainly type out your voice message or describe what you'd like to share, and I'll do my best to respond
It's
helpfully.
text-based, by the way, but
If
yeah.
you need assistance with
I just
transcribing
converted
your
it to a
voice to
voice
text or have
assistant.
any other questions, feel free to ask.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. I'm here when you need me.
Alright, and that's it for the video. I can quickly show you the code for it. Let me just close. Control C for closing, by the way. Come on, there we go. And this is the code. It's rather simple because it just has these packages and is only like 110 lines long. It obviously needs speech recognition. I shortened it as SR because why not? It uses Pi to as Pi text to speech, so it basically uses it to take the text from ollama and turn it into a speech basically. Subprocess is just for processing. Here it uses the microphone to recognize the speech. The source for the microphone is, well, literally just the main microphone connected to your PC. This is the message it types out while it's listening, as you can see down here. Converts audio to text, where it basically explains itself. It uses Google. If it couldn't understand me, it just returns this error. Could not understand audio, could not request results. If the ollama model is kind of fucking around, send input text to ollama model and get response. Yeah, that's literally just what it says. Yeah, I don't think I need to explain all this because I already wrote it all here. You can basically just read through the green text to get what it does, because it's literally just already written all in there. I will just let you read and scroll down. This is open source, you can use it however the fuck you want, I don't really care. You can upgrade it, you can yeah, just make whatever you want with it. Have fun. Goodbye everyone.